I'm Chris, and we're going to pick some wild black raspberries today. Let's do this real quick. When looking for any wild edible, be sure to positively identify it before you eat it. Go online, look for pictures, look for videos, and make sure you find the characteristics that make up that plant. If you're unsure at all, do not eat it. You'll generally come across the thorn bush like this that has 3 leaves on it. It's a much thicker stem and much bigger thorns. Around this bush, or around this vine, whatever you want to call it, around this thorn, pain in the butt, you will find the wild black raspberries. You'll tend to recognize the stem in the middle that's a lot thicker with the bigger thorns. They usually grow in pretty big patches. On the flowering plant, it will have 3 leaves, and then it'll have the fruit itself. The fruit may come in different colors depending on when it's ripe. You look for the darker fruit that pulls off easily. I usually look for black raspberries that resemble this, and they should almost fall right off the plant. Sometimes you just touch it and they fall right off. But these are generally the ones that are the ripest. When you pull the black raspberry off, it leaves a little nub on the stem. The black raspberry itself ends up being concave, kind of has a hole in it. You can see the thorns on the stem, and I generally look for the 3 leaves that accompany the flowering plant. On the stem of the plant, it will have thorns. They may not be as sharp as other plants, but they are definitely there. When picking and eating any wild plant, you want to be able to positively identify the plant you're going to eat. When looking for any wild edible, do your research first. Look for pictures, go online, look for videos. It can be fun walking in the woods, looking for wild edibles. Just by spending a little time in the woods, enjoying nature, you can end up with quite a bit. And I really haven't even walked that far, and there's black raspberries all over the place here.